Hey, welcome everybody. I am Ajay. In this video, I am going to show you how to open a new window using Python PyQt. So, these two window I just created. First is main window, and here is a button in that window. Using this button, we are going to open this new other window, and the object name of this button is btn open, btn underscore open, and the other and the other window object name is other window, and I saved this file in the directory. You can see here main window and other window. uh, first step is here to convert this UI file to Python code. So press Ctrl plus Shift plus right click to open Windows command window here, and type this command pyuc py. If you are using PyQt version 4, insert 4 there, and -x, the name of UI file, which is main window.ui, -o, and the name of output file, which will be main window.py. Just enter. You can see here the file is created. Now same step for another file, which is other window. You can see here both files are created. Now let's open this file and see what the UI. You can see here this is main window and this is other window. You can see here. Now let's connect these two window. So whenever user click on this button, open window, the other window should this window should be open. So let's do that. First of all, open main window.py file, and first of all let's create a method here. We are going to call this method whenever user click on this open window button. You can see here. So first of all, define a method which we will call open window, and parameter is self. Now first of all, open other window file also, and go to end of that file, and you can see here you have to just remember this. Okay, first of all go to main window. You can see here main window, and let's this line here, self dot window equals to qt widgets dot q main window, opening and closing parenthesis. Then we are going to create another variable, which is UI equals to. Now here a name of method, which is a second file. Insert this name because we are calling this class here. So enter class name of other window which we are going to open. In this case, UI underscore other window. This name can be anything. So insert this name here, and opening and closing parenthesis. Now we have created object of this class here. You can see here the object name of this is UI, and let's call now this method, which is setup UI, because this method contains all the UI elements. So let's call it self.ui dot setup UI in parentheses. Now you can see here this method contains two parameters, one is self and other is other window. So this will be our other window. So let's send this parameter, which is window. You can see here we have just defined, pass this parameter, and at last we have to just call show method, which will be window object, window dot show method, which will show the new window, which will open new window. And remember one thing, that if this is if this is your main window, you can see here there are two types of templates here. First is dialogues without or with buttons, and second is main window. So if you are confused, this will not work if you are calling a dialogues. So first best way to check is go to other file here, and and end of file. Let's see here, if there is widgets, simply instead type here Qt widgets. If there is dialogues, simply type here Qt dialogues, and these three lines will be saved, nothing will be changed here. Now save this file. And one more thing, this is very important, don't forget to import this file, because we are calling this UI other window method class of other window. So if we have to import this simply from and insert file name, which is other window, and then import class name, which is UI underscore other window. Don't insert parenthesis here. Save this file. Now we have defined method here. Now we just need to call this method. So for that, find the button's object name, which is, you can see here, btn open. So here is the object, which is self.btn.open, and simply we have to just add click event here, which is signal py, which is called signal in PyQt. So btn underscore open dot clicked dot connect. So this means is whenever user click on this button, you can say clicked, and we are connecting a method, calling a method which is open window here. Simply pass here. Now pass this method, which is open window, we are calling. Now let's run this program using Python interpreter and file of. You can see here the button, whenever we click on button, a new window is open here. Now you may wonder how to close this previous window and just open a new window. So for that, go to source code and just insert using dot. Of this file, and using this object call a method which is main window dot hide. This will hide this window and open a new window. Now let's see what happened. Save this program and run this file again. As you can see here, the previous window is hide closed and new window is open. So thank you for watching. Best of luck.